Good morning, children. Welcome again in science class. In last class, we have started a new chapter, skeletal and muscular system, and we were discussing about skeletal systems. Today, we shall see structures of bone. हड्डियों की बनावट. The bones are made up of living cells and tissues. That is why they grow. The bones are hard but hollow. Nerves and blood vessels pass through the hollow part of the bones. The long bones are filled with a soft material called bone marrow. In this paragraph, we are seeing that the bones are made up of living cells and tissues. The bones are hard but hollow. You see here, bones are hard but hollow. The long bones are filled with a soft material that is called bone marrow. New red and white cells are made in the bone marrow. Calcium and phosphorus are stored in the bones, which is important for us. Next kind of bones. The bones of the head, shoulder and hip are flat, but the bones of leg and arms are long and bone of the palm and feet are short, while the backbone is made up of irregular bones. The human skeleton consists of the following kinds of bones. यहाँ पर हम bones के kinds को देख रहे हैं कि कैसे the bones of the head, shoulder and hip ये flat होते हैं, जबकि bones of leg और arms long होते हैं. उसी तरह आगे भी यहाँ पर दिया गया है. Next thing, skull. The skull forms a bony box that consists of total of 22 bones. Out of these, 8 bones protects the brain known as cranial bones, while the rest 14 bones make up the face known as facial bones. Skulls means खोपड़ी, कपाल. यहाँ हम देखते हैं कि ये 22 बॉन्ड्स से बना हुआ है और इसमें से 8 बॉन्ड्स जो हैं वो ब्रेन को सुरक्षा प्रदान करते हैं और उन्हें कहा जाता है क्रैनियल बॉन्ड्स. दैट मीन्स कपाल की हड्डियाँ, खोपड़ी की हड्डियाँ. जबकि 14 बॉन्ड्स जो हैं वो चेहरे की हड्डियों का निर्माण करते हैं और उन्हें कहा जाता है फेशियल बॉन्ड्स. द फेशियल बॉन्ड्स मेक अप द अपर and lower jaw that protects eyes, tongue and nose. Only the lower jaw is movable while all other bones are immovable. This lower jaw help us to eat and speak. You see here, lower jaw is movable and it helps us to eat and speak, while other bones are immovable. Next, sternum. It is also called the breastbone. Sternum is joined to the collarbones of the shoulder girdle which protects the ribs. They are connected to the ribs and are elongated and flat. That means elongated, that means long and thin. Next important thing, ribs. There are 12 pairs of curved bones forming a case which protects the heart and lungs. All 12 pairs are joined at the back to the backbone and only the first 10 pairs are joined in the front to the breastbone. Here you see 12 pairs of cord bonds होते हैं फॉर्मिंग ए केज, जो एक पिंजरे की तरह बनाते हैं, और ये क्या करते हैं, हार्ट और लंग्स की को सुरक्षा प्रदान करते हैं। ऑल 12 पेयर्स आर जॉइंट एट द बैकबोन। ये 12 जो बॉन्स हैं, पेयर्स ऑफ बॉन्स हैं, वो बैकबोन से जुड़े हुए होते हैं। एंड ओनली द फर्स्ट 10 पेयर्स आर जॉइंट इन द फ्रंट ऑफ द ब्रेस्ट बोन। यहाँ पर देखो, यू सी हियर the first 10 pairs are joined in the front to the breastbone, and the last 2 bones are free, so they are called floating ribs. You see this picture carefully and try to understand. Children, you read again these important points and try to understand. Thank you.